Hello guys, how are you? My name is Suhail Razvir. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to use WP Forms plugin. Okay, this is quite easy, quite more functional than Contact Form 7. So let's start it. It's simple. You have to just click on plugins from left side menu. Then you have to search install plugin in plugins. If it's not installed, you can click on add new button. Okay, after redirecting on the add new page, you just search here WP forms like this. Okay, when the result appears, you can click on install. Okay, the results are in front of us. This is the WP forms. You can see it's already activated on my side. Okay, so let's go in WP forms. After clicking the WP forms, you can see I have already two forms, blank form and my first form. So let me delete these two forms because we have to start from scratch. So let's click on the add new button. You can see there are many options like blank form, simple contact form, newsletter sign up form, suggestion form. Okay, there are some fields you can see here. Okay, some settings and marketing purpose and payment sections. Okay, so in field or setups, in the fields will appear after when we start to add any form. So let's click on the blank form. Okay, blank form. You can see there are some you can see a blank page here. We have to add our WP forms fields. Okay, so these are the free fields we can drag and drop here. Okay, these are fancy fields which is paid premium you can say, and the payment fields we can use, but those are also paid. The WP forms have better functionalities than contact forms 7, but the problem is it's paid. Most of the functionalities are paid. Okay, so let's about the settings. This is the settings section, setting tabs. You can say here the form name. Okay, descriptions, CSS class, extra CSS class, submit button. Okay, you can change the name of submit button. Okay, sending, when the page was processing to redirect or submit, you can change this text. Submit button class CSS, you can change any style of submit button. Enable anti-spam honeypot. Okay, so there is a marketing sections we can use, and this is a payment section which is also pro. So let's go on fields and start it. It's quite simple, not a big deal. You just have to focus on this. How can we do this? Simply, this is a single text line. Okay, this is paragraph text. Okay, this is called drop down. These are checkboxes, multiple choices. Okay, this is number fields, this is name field, and that one is email. So let's start from name. I just drag and drop here. Okay, you can see it's saying that two fields, first name and last name. If we need these one, we can use, otherwise we can delete from here. Okay, and we can a single line. What's wrong with this? Okay, so you can say I have just drag and drop a single field, single line text. Okay, so let's see how can we edit this. Simply you can click on this edit, and you can change the label by, you can say first name. Okay, here you can description if you want to add. This is required. You can say to any user cannot leave this field empty. Okay, these are the advanced options. Here the in this drop down you can you can select the small size. You can see small size, medium size, or large size. So we have to go with larger size. Okay, this is the placeholder. Placeholder mean if any value or any temporary text will display in this text box. For example, if you are the first name, okay, here you can hide label. Okay, you can see this is default value if you want to set the CSS classes, if you want to add. Okay, so let's again fields. Again, here we need to add another field. Okay, the name of this field we just need to set last name. So for this field you can set same functionality or same things like first name. Okay, so required one, and the last name often it's not required, so let's leave this empty. Okay, select size larger, placeholder you can select last name. Okay, default value CSS value no need. So let's again fields, and here we can add number field. Okay, this is numbers, like you can add mobile number, any budget, any money, like something that. Okay, number we can say cell number. Okay, cell numbers, make it required. Okay, the select size larger, placeholder if you want to set, for example 13328515460. okay, for user hint, and if you want to hide label or CSS class is a default value, for example, if you want to set. Okay, so let's add some drop down. Here is the drop down value and drop down field, same as the choices. You can edit from here. These are the choices. You can select your choices from here. You can edit, you can add more if delete from this. Okay, select value you can name. Okay, and descriptions and requirement and size, we will go with large size as our other fields. Okay, so if we click on the drop down you can see. So okay, so if we save this form, the submit button already exists in this form. Okay, the save on the form, your form saves. You can click on embed button and copy copy shortcut from here, or you can exit from here. Okay, you can copy from here. Okay, this is shortcut we have to use. So let's go in any page and add this form. So I am going to add a new page. You can say contact us. Okay, hey, how can we add to form properly? You can see a button add form. Which form we have made already will display here. The blank form, we did not change the name that form, so that's why the blank form name is displaying here. Just add it. Okay, and publish the page. After publishing the page you can view page from here. Okay, so you can see this is our first name, last name, cell numbers. Okay, you can say the numbers, for example, like this. These are our choices. Okay, submit. It's demanding something name, for example, submit. Okay, so this is a very simple. If you want anything else or if you need any help, please just write any comment. Okay, I will reply you or I will help you. Thank you for this, guys. I know my English is not good, but I'm trying very hard, and one day inshallah this will be good. Thank you so much. Bye bye.